Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the upper button. Once the menu opens, you can scroll down and look for the option called Watch Settings, and then tap on it to enter the settings, of course. Now find the connectivity option, and once you find it, tap on it, and here find the option called Wi-Fi and tap on it. Make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled, the status is on, and then go back, or rather go down rather, my bad. Find the option called My Networks, and then tap on Search for Networks. It will start searching for the nearby networks available, and then you will see the list. Oh, my bad, let's go back. Find the network you would like to connect, tap on it, and if it's password protected, you will need to enter the password. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also enter the password on the phone. You will see the pop-up on the phone. I prefer the option with the phone because it's a bit more convenient, but you can enter it directly on the watch if you like to. And once you enter the password and tap on Done or OK, it will start connecting. And if you enter the password correctly, it will say connection successful. And now on the list of my networks, you will see it will appear right here, and you can tap on it and check, or rather you can't check anything. You have update password or remove. But anyway, that means that the network is saved, and if your watch is in vicinity of that network, it will try to connect to it to access the internet, of course. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face, and that's how you connect this watch to the Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.